Could you handle swinging a 4-pound jump rope for just 5 minutes? Here's what it does to your body. Today I'm gonna break down what this rope does for your muscles, your endurance, and fat loss. And make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to do previews of my next video where I show you the difference between weighted jump ropes, regular cardio, and weightlifting. All of the equipment you see in today's video is available down below. Now I've trained with a lot of different types of rope, from the 1/4 pound all the way up to the 6-pound monster. And the 4-pound rope sits right in a unique spot. It's heavy enough to build serious strength, but still manageable for controlled jump sessions. The added weight forces your shoulders, grip, and core to do way more work, turning a cardio session into a full body challenge. My nickname for it is The Gym, because when you finish using it, you feel like you use every piece of equipment in the gym. I even go into detail on this in my book, Jump Into Fitness, how different rope weights target your muscles differently. The 4-pound rope feels like cardio with dumbbells attached. But the real question is, does swinging a rope like this actually build muscle, or is it just another cardio trick? When you're rotating this much weight, you're forcing progressive overload. The same way you to go up in dumbbell weight, you're going up in rope weight. Your shoulders, traps, arms, back, legs, and especially your core are all recruited. Will it replace a full weightlifting split? Not really, but paired with other training, it builds muscle, endurance, definition, and serious athletic strength. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to know what kind of workouts that I pair with this rope. 10 minutes with this rope feels like 30 minutes of running. The calorie burn is massive, and because the rope moves slower, you actually trip less. It keeps you locked in on rhythm and conditioning. The end result, you torch fat, build endurance, and hit strength and cardio at the same time. But it can't be all this good without the bad. There's some serious drawbacks that we need to talk about. The 4-pound rope is brutal. If you're a beginner, it's going to crush your shoulders and forearms. And if your form isn't solid, fatigue will make you sloppy and increase injury risk. That's why I recommend using it as a finisher or rotating it with your workouts. Not every day, not every session. So with all that said, should you actually buy this thing? Let's get into my honest verdict. What I honestly think is if you're consistent jumping already, yes, you can pick up a 4-pound jump rope. I highly recommend it. You'll get strength, endurance, and fat burning benefits in less time. But if you're new to this thing, don't start here. Start with a 1/2-pound rope. Start with a 1-pound rope. Something that in that range so that you can catch the rhythm, but your arms aren't screaming. And then you want to graduate to the 4-pound rope as you get stronger. And if you're not sure where to start, like you're totally lost, remember you can go pick up my book, Jump Into Fitness. It lays out how to progress from lighter ropes, step by step, so that you don't waste your time or get hurt. And remember, this is just one piece of the puzzle. In my next video, I'll compare weighted ropes against cardio and traditional lifting so that you can see exactly where they shine and where they fall short. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you're thinking about picking up this jump rope, comment heavy jump rope and let me know down below. And while you wait for your book to arrive, you should check out this video right here. It'll show you how to transform your body with weighted jump ropes. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later.